Watch out, man. One puppy and I represent for the brand new movie. I'm known to see title Love is Blind. People want to know watch the movie to the end. Make sure you like, share, comment. Tell a friend about Coloring Book TV. You understand, people? As you can see, never get to post the movie this Wednesday. You understand? Because sick out. I don't know if you want to see it or hear it while me hockey movie. You understand? But sorry about that. But don't just watch the movie to the end. And remember, people, subscribe, live it here. Sure TV, what?
No, hold on, man. I mean, I'm Puppy Dan there for real. I do a movie. The movie name Girl Clown, a Puppy Dan Starry.
What is, man?
No, sorry, movie name Girl Clown, here. Alright.
Wrong something here, so the movie name Love is Blind.
And a Girl Clown in name?
Love is Blind.
People, you see a movie here in name Love is Blind. What say movie name?
Love is Blind.
Love is Blind and a Puppy Dan Story. And you not see none at all in a movie.
Watch that, man. Watch it to the end. We out. Coloring book.
Father. Yo, brother, you make it cow gone, you know.
Why for?
I'm the one I'm a cow, me I try catch, brother, you make it cow gone, brother.
As somebody tell me say over here,
Don't know you scare a cow, man.
I'm if you scare a cow.
What you mean if you scare a cow, you just come over your coloring book, puff out your face and puff out your belly and see the cow must gone. Me have to go run down the cow again. And see me back up the cow, right? Just see me back up the cow. And see me I go. And catch the cow here. Coloring book. The cow must afraid that you're gone, man. Yo. What you say now? What I'm here now, brother?
If I road, I say I afford from you, I go get one or a few things. So I say I check in, but you know I'm a G. So
you buy me something, what you mean, man?
Easy.
Can you say? Oh, you mean me? No, you can't buy me this. A woman if you buy
so
me
that's why I tell you it's easy. I'm a woman, me buy this for you.
Are you man?
Look funny, you like it? You feel like should I love you? Hold it up, I look funny. But get to, one nigga me see a selling, but he say I kinda seal him and seal out it still, so I just get it still and get it for my woman.
Why me I tell you the truth, you? I don't know if you ever say me I want good friend or me I want bad friend. You not learn, you know. You not learn, bro.
What me not learn?
You're blind. They say love is blind, brother. Love is blind, but you should not blind. You're blind in the relationship.
What, man? Blind by what?
Yo, all a present, man.
Eh?
All a present.
No, what you mean by it? So you not no woman for carry go give you tell me about me blind. Yo, give me them here. So you not no woman for carry go give you tell me say me blind. Eh?
Puppy, me now no woman in my life. But you see when I want a woman, I just run down two and I call them, and I catch them, and I sell them, and I put the money in a pocket, and I step down the road. Watch out, a woman run me down. Me I tell you, cause you see money. But yo, puppy, you me know, big man thing. You know one thing go over my Joe fence, you know, cause I can't pay back. Puppy, it's a talk in the street, bro. In the street. Mama grow on you like a roundabout.
I'm in a roundabout, so how do
I
you
try
grow
to
me?
tell you, cause you're blind to love.
Brother, me love me woman, me have to love me woman. What you want me to do?
You see how you love your woman? Me wish my woman love you so.
What you mean by you wish you did love me so? Watch you, man. My woman love me. Where they when mom saw a squeeze bump in my face last night?
So what that say?
Eh? That love.
Mama deal with the street like a tax office.
The girl in my yard run down, them do they mess up me to you?
I know my woman them, bro, that me I try to tell her I'm my woman.
So now that's why I show for me one of my woman. She all watch my clothes them.
Your woman there, your foot every day, every minute, every second, every hour? Yes or no?
No.
Puppy, no say me jealous of your life, cause me not jealous. No say me business of your life, but me have business cause me your friend. Puppy, woman a knock on your dog.
You must be mad. You mad?
Alright, remember me tell you, you know.
Man, every time me see you.
Tell you say you love too much till you're blind.
Me
love blind.
Love no blind for me though. Me love my woman. So till me fool.
Eh? What you say, look well?
I said, I love my woman till me
till you're fool. So you confess to me and you give me receipts all of what me as a true.
True with what if I love my woman? What you want me to do? Why sense me I go there with her and I love her?
Alright, me sorry.
Eh?
Me sorry. Mama nah knock it and he nah run tax office and he nah run insurance. He love you.
In a red
food.
plate.
Eh?
She a red plate, she a my white plate and me alone a drive her. And she a drive me crazy.
Oh, so you alone in tax office and in insurance. Eh? Are you alone a go there? Okay,
Yeah.
done. No,
But which boy so bad for jump the fence over there?
You see this a shoulder here? And this a shoulder here can do something and I say. You look up ugly, puff up face, and you look up big belly. And you go say,
A regular
coloring book,
belly.
You're right, no coloring book. You're right. But you want to know, no? Me too much in your business. What you do? You can't help me catch a cow.
Catch a kind of cow. You help me watch no man.
No watch man, no man, bro.
So you want me catch a cow for you? Why it a benefit me?
I beg, show me I tell you the truth or everything good.
No man. Where you say cow can?
Me don't want you catch no cow, man. Go on, because you're running me in the first place. Go on, go watch your woman.
You have to watch. You know watch for your own.
Oh.
You know watch your cow. Now you own it. You know watch it.
Oh.
Eh? You have to watch for your own.
So you watch your woman too?
Oh, you mean? Me love her. Me have to have her in my eyesight.
Why me? You want to look news on somebody said, man, look video about.
What kind of video?
Me I catch me cow. Look more.
What kind of video?
Look more. Look more. Later. Ah!
Babe.
Good evening.
Yeah, but.
How are you with you?
Yeah, I love you already, you know. Oh, I'm not gonna go link my virgin. And the man tell me say love is blind. And the man tell me say yeah, give me hand. Just please tell me say what they must say and that's how you go.
Provident, pay attention. Focus. What do you mean by love
I love you.
Provident, man up now, man up. What you balling for?
That's the way I say hurt me. I don't want them to say nothing about me, woman, nothing. Because I know you're not doing nothing at all to me, baby. I know what my friend say, bad man about relationship.
I have a bad man coming and understand what you mean by love is blind. What you mean by love is blind?
Yeah, but I got this for you. It's all for you, baby. No, me love you, I do anything for you.
Thanks. What else I get?
Yeah, me get one nice little bag for you.
I like this, but I couldn't get one different color.
The color they say they have available, right? I only have it.
But wait. Provident. Let me soon go back to the new. Now tell me say a dirty food friend coloring book yeah talk about.
Then I that me tell you a while ago, babe. I tell you that me carry present for I show the man. Cause you know me love you already. You know that. Everybody know that so me love you. Me fool to you.
You know say a bad man coloring book bad man.
I hit me I said to him like in grudge relationship between her and a woman.
A bad man, you know.
Sometimes I wonder if he call them when you have if you man them in a business.
How can I? What do you mean by that? What makes it so?
Call them when you race. I'm tired. I'm not trusting with them. I'm a friend but I'm not trusting with them. You know what hurt me too? He might tell me say he's thinking on the street. When they say you're not dealing with me good, you give me bun. And you say you're there every day with me, so where if you get chance to do that?
Exactly. Being me tired to tell us if you love the friend the way you have coloring book, you know. Me said I never see a man bad mind so and grudge for no man.
You see you left here, you're not gonna know where you're there so with me every day, you wash my clothes.
Exactly. How me feel give up one day? Tell me. How me feel give up one? When me find time I give up one? Eh?
Then you might tell me so if you can help you run down the cow, I mean, out of order.
Run down you call them for what? You know how we call
You
him
must see
for
me a cowboy. You don't know some me a hero boy.
Coloring book outside that door. But thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Clean
See,
up
you don't
the
have
yard
no
and
money or
something.
nothing.
I just want to change me have less fun. You don't eat nothing?
No, nothing there for eat. I'm hungry.
Just take all night. Anything you just take it.
So anything?
Everything when
you have money for your card?
You have money there on the card, but just take all in my wallet right now and say just take anything in there for you, baby.
Here.
Anything you want to do with it, you can.
Alright, so 1200 I can buy a box food and one drink.
You know what I'm gonna be? You know what I'm
No
gonna
man, take that man.
You sure?
Yes.
No, be a metal for everything when you like to take care of you. You don't know I'm a fool to you, baby. Just take it. It's
say
all
no more one
yours.
drink. Alright, buy one drink.
Babe, me say take it. For all yours. Anything you want to do with it, do with it.
You say I have money on the card, right?
Money up on the card. If you want to go pull your machine right now, you can do it. Thank you. I'm very prepared because I don't have too much work for you. I do all of the work. I don't want you to pressure yourself.
Alright, you did wash your clothes then?
Clothes to the wash, baby?
Yes, some dirty clothes on there, some panty. You know wash your panty them? Oh! What make you scrub your face for me? May I ask if you not wash the panty them when me have round there so?
What channel, man? Babe, you can't talk them things so loud and make people hear, so may I do that.
So wrong if you wash your woman panty them?
Babe, I forgot to say machine fix me. I wash them, yeah? I wash them. You want more? Is it part of wash too? Is it part, you want just wash too?
And the panty them I want to wash.
Take time talk loud, no baby, me go deep, just take time talk loud, no. You deal with it.
Blocks! Mr. Blocks! Oh, you're up on your phone. Yeah, when you finish, I want to talk to you because your friend tell me say I want to call them to buy here. Alright. I have to come off my phone and leave me.
Hello. You shot love in for
Well, this is tenement yard, you know. It's a shop lock, but my shop always open. But anyhow, hold on there. Hold on there, man. You don't remember me?
From?
You remember you? Me see you last week. I'm not trying to get in your local life and you tell me say, yo, I'm not your type. And then last night, I staying in my dream and now I see you. It a go happen, you know. It a go happen.
By the way, what's your name?
What's my name?
Yeah.
Well, you know, my friend called me coloring book, but the ladies them call me Omar.
Okay, coloring.
Omar. Ladies, Omar.
Oh, so I'm on the coloring.
Yeah. Yeah. Friend Puppy Dan.
Okay, Omar.
Yeah.
Is shop not open?
No, well, I just see. Me explain and tell her the shop open.
So the person that here where
The person and they personally right there, so every Saturday I'm gone buy
Church.
goods. None go buy goods. I'm not really Christian because more I see my sprinkle in my shop. So I want to sprinkle. If I come buy.
You're supposed to hear the information there?
Well, that's true. Just remember say me don't get information. But anyhow, shop business. Like where they say I keep my company. You know, so I sweep up for my side. The for them side, yeah. So I sweep up.
Sweep over there.
Why? If you have fear yard, you can't sweep up. So remember say, me not try to
Well,
get
my
no
yard
wrong.
now sweep.
You know what I see? You sweep already. You cut,
Yes.
you vacuum.
What wrong with there? I want you want to know. What the problem?
Well, I'm in name coloring book, you know. I'm sell the whole like cow them around here.
Oh, you sell I like
Beef, cow.
Oh, you
pork,
be
cow.
always here, boy.
You're so mad, you're so mad. So I'm sure you're a boy, you know. You say you look nice and everything.
Oh,
Excuse
me, I
me,
go look
man.
for my friend.
Yeah, me sorry if you didn't tell us say you're nice. Although you know say you're nice.
Me know
Oh, you go look for your friend?
Yeah.
Oh, me have one friend too, I'm a virgin, but he fool.
Eh,
Belly big. Girl, I use him everything. I'm blind to love.
me feel like you love chat people business.
Well, I really love chat people business, but when people business in my face, I want to get you out because I want to blind me.
So I say you don't work and chat anybody you just random see you just say
No,
yo
but
me
you
have a
know,
woman
me
or
not
you
chat
just-
here now, me I give you a compliment.
Yeah, give me compliment.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
The blood of Jesus.
no,
Or make
fly.
you blow.
No,
Listen,
fly.
I can't not trust you because you say your friends your shop wanna sprinkle stuff in your shop. I know you come blow for me to fall in love with you. Because you live in a yard, that means you do the same thing too.
Well, I tell you the truth, I don't really know if I hire my sprinkle, you know. Because sometimes a rainy time, you know, so maybe all ants and my, you know, powder it or something. So maybe I can see and not see good. But I'm sure so I see you. I'm sure so I like you then. I'm sure so I like you now. So we have to do about that.
I'm not gonna do anything about it.
I remember my name Color and Book and I sell the cow them. Cow
You
deer.
can buy more than just we cannot taste.
Well, I can buy a juice about the shop not open right now. So I have to go wait till the shop open because I'm in neighbor them, you know, so I have to support them.
Okay, I understand.
So you know, give me a number.
Alright, here's a deal.
Yes.
The next time I see you when the shop open,
Yes.
you can get my number. How that sound?
What are they? And if you ain't come, I mean, no,
No, they don't come, they don't come. I know you just want to find out if they come.
So you say next time
And
when the
next
shop
time
open,
we
me buy a
should-
juice, me get your number.
Yes.
Alright. I remember say me not look a long time, you know.
Me
Give you
know.
a chance.
Me just remember you.
Alright, take
Because
care.
a long time you had me for you know. Long time.
Your hair nice though.
Yes.
Your lip nice too.
Oh.
Yeah, but you know me I wonder. Me I wonder about your lips and you yourself which are nicer.
Everything. Father.
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
God, no, I want the shop open. Hey! Alright. Come on.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
It's a shock. So your body hot, man?
Stop it fooling me, you know. And shake me and you shake me and you shake me. Nice to meet you, Omar.
Same wise. Yeah, coloring book Omar. You know what you like?
Lad, you say all like Omar them call it Omar. You say other to say that all like Omar them call it Omar.
The chain nice, man. Very nice.
Yes, no shade nice and top touch.
Big up yourself.
Alright.
Later. Alright, look, come on. Take care.
Yeah, we'll open here first the shop.
Alright.
And next year.
Alright. My mommy sell the cow them here.
Aye.
Move.
So me can get one I call them.
Anytime a shop open, you get the cow. Moo.
Anything you say. I hope you open early.
Me too.
Later.
Me too.
Bye.
Alright, oh God. Beef, they look good. I run it down and chop you up. Moo. Lord God.
Yes, man. I want to win this man. Everybody spend money for me. Yeah. Hey girl, what's up? Man. How much breeze blow you here now? How are you, man? No. Me say goods. Me glad you come here. Cause me coulda chat over my phone either ways, you know. From morning I want WhatsApp you. Come here, girl. Come here. No man go buy a bag. You know what you gonna brand this? Fly. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Watch out. You know how long I want to spray like this? Smell it. No. That's not even. No, you can't do that. I'm a good man by this. You're good man. You're good man by this. Dear joke. There's some want some money. You know the idiot boy do? Give me your wallet, everything in there. 4, 5, 6, 7. We can start from the 5 them first, because right now you kind of... You just big and done. 7 and 5 how much? No. 7 and 5 how much? No. I don't even know either, but look. So 3, 5... Alright, that's 15. And 7. You know matter how much, just look. I want money. And then guess what now? And then get the idiot boy. 1,250 I forgot buy a big food. If I ever want 1,000 food, I want drinks. You don't back your wallet. So I'm gonna eat. I don't know. You care? So give me 1,250. No. Me have things to do. So you know see I'm here, you're lucky I'll feel here do. Oh well, you know I have to do what I have to do to get my hair done. Backyard. So what I do show sometimes I feel like you're frightened Friday. I first one man I give so much to in one time. Yeah, idiot. No, but you have to like say man not always give things. You just show everything in my face. So. Alright, enough of that. Let's show you when I get girl. And so then guess what? Thing. Tell the boy if I go wash my pants today. wash them.
Then you know must wash them.
You take time at all. You can't make people must say your man wash your jars.
You know must wash them. You have to wash my underwear them.
But bad to bad, you know, so you have a bad girl here.
Yeah, they can't stay.
Yeah, girl. So you're going to far. Go on your money, guess what? Fame love is blind. But Tia, be truthful and be honest to yourself. You know, feel like say one day God go show him a sign or something, or it go come to light.
God
Because my mother always said, what's in the dark always come to light. God, remember, so God made night and he made day, and so two of them.
And God make idiots. And God make sense of the people.
And God make
So nobody never tell him to be fool and make fame love blind. So you're cock up me.
You know, I up there and tell you but we have me a piece of mix up to tell a girl. Me say, me meet one boy. But a long time I do me, but me always turn him down or something. But he sell not cow, I don't remember, but he sell some animal. Yeah, me tell us the boy nice, man. Look like he have money. Oh. You have somebody for name out their money. Me want somebody who can name out their money. Me want somebody here have to do every 2 weeks, you know, so. Yeah. Oh wow.
No, me have to really look for you. You know that you lick me from America?
No, me not. No, don't do that. I don't lick woman. You hear it? Woman not from my gender. Oh, Tana.
Listen to me now.
Oh, wow.
You talk about you meet sweet boy and you meet this. Me have one nice, but me say nice, clean man. So no come to me with that.
The one we wash your jars on the side, the man there.
Girl. Him look nice here. You know see I'm a boopsy that. You know see I'm a little yard boy that. Eh? Am I a bank that? So now what do you? You not have to know. You know say what's in the dark must come to light. Yes. When you have to know, you're gonna know.
And that not like you then, we are friends and you back keep secret. That was secret, but that not like you.
You have to
but you see, when you see you, that's how your problem go. That's how man go find out your business. And you can wicked and poor life. So yeah, sure for the gift them so like I first again. Anyway, I come down me and I guess I irritate me.
I beg so beg show me not tell her who are nice clean man. Eh? What do this girl yeah? I must take your man, take him. Go on.
Who want to take Spear? See who want to take?
Take time, girl.
I draws them. I want to. Me don't want him.
Marka, stop it now. Just stop it.
I don't sit down and talk to the man and wash your drawers. So oh no, me I say to have a problem with you.
You know, so nobody know to tell you their business.
And you watch a tea. So if people say it back, you know, if you have a problem.
Alright,
the
next time
president
we
face
know.
they think want a man to wash drawers.
Go on. Boy, you have man will sell coal.
And you have a problem with it? You have a problem?
Alright, cow girl. Moo.
Nice. Oi, warm. What mean so warm? What hour? What mean so warm? What? Sir, how we are doing? Sir, play Ludi.
I play Ludi.
So me can't play Ludi, brother.
No, man, I'm a chance I play load, man. I'm a chance I drop 666.
You realize your style, huh? You always come with some style where you try to diss me and you know what I mean, smart words, but me, is everything good? You know what I mean? So I just
Hold on, me at this here.
Alright,
hold on. Alright. Just picture this a piece of one chocolate is. So, you know, one chocolate. Broke off a piece again. One piece of my chocolate?
No.
Okay.
That different. Somebody know you can put that at yo, brother. Me say you use smart words for this me slightly. I realize say this year take me, brother. Me a friend, I mean a friend. Have to tell me if I'm knowing him. Me know which angle for walk and all something there, you know.
I rate you you don't want none of the chocolate. I'm a rate you come on to none. But then me say me don't want to play load with the boy. I'm a talk for sell or something. Me don't want you to walk through my yard, brother.
Feel yard.
What you mean?
Feel yard.
Alright.
Look. house that? A few house that?
See my house right there.
No, me ask you a question. A few house that?
No.
Alright, look. A few house on so?
No.
Alright, look, a few house that?
Yeah.
So you guess what you don't want? Tenement yard. So nobody feel like a fear on a yard, bossy.
So you know, so me so move from here, so. Me so move from here, so.
How make you move?
Cause look a bit of talk me have to say, you know.
No, but you have put yourself in a situation. You create a situation and you act like say, hey, brother, don't be like you're a narcissist. You're a narcissist, brother.
You know, somebody I play Ludi, good could I come mash up me game. I don't even know how much me gone.
One person, me not about to say one man. One person cannot play Ludi. You understand me? I say it's Ludi.
Jesus Christ, Father.
You understand me? I say?
Me dear, what? Public, where you come from? Kind of time I see a jump fence. Where you come? Me know where you know.
So where fees me I come from?
How far man you jump my friends now go deal with them woman? Cause me
This a boy, brother, you see me I tell you again, that's you do style the thing and make it sound like me are some dangerous. Listen, brother, me have friends, you know. People still have friends in this time, okay? It's not only social media alone you find friends as to follow this and follow that and subscribe that. You understand me I say? Brother, you make it think look at weird sometime, bro.
You see this outer road. This is when you call link your bridge in me. This when you out the road, how me go out the road and people like me don't know where you know.
So how come when me buy my liquor and you pass through, me table always stacked and what drink? Yeah.
But me not drink no more liquor out the road with you cause people every time people say, yo, public are your friend, you know. He boy I look me girl, you know. He boy there with me girl. Me not like them. Me not like
you realize the style, you love, you say you're a cow thief, you're real, I call yourself a true, because guess what now, you sell the cow and still hold up on the tail, what kind of lifestyle that? You sell me out now and still that's some boy rate it. Bro, if you say no drink on my table, no drink on my table. Come here.
As a chap now come here, man. Come here, man.
Let me come on.
You say one day me I look for me cow, get way.
Which cow?
You know me have one virgin when you Puppy Dan. And me say, Jesus Christ.
Alright. No, me can't come back to us.
Me say, me have one virgin when you Puppy Dan. I'm a virgin like come here, a virgin. Me a virgin, you know. Me a virgin. Yeah, me a virgin. Sorry man. Oh yo, me have a virgin when you Puppy Dan. Me say the man, yo, him blind to love. Him man can't see me, if I him very big, he can't see. Me say him girl just a dash away so.
What you said to me? What you
Look here.
You not the matter of
Look here. Same girl a dash away.
Double six.
So him girl a dash, and me I tell the man say, bro, you can chat in the street. So your girl a dash away, your girl a give it, and the man a listen.
Red flag themselves. But I mean I say still.
You know say you don't like when nobody talk. Say woman a give on, cause if you true you are one of the purse them we make the man then can't sleep in peace. But you know.
What? Big. Let's calm down for a second. Because I say we start off on the wrong foot. Because we are bridging, but puppy dancing. Who name? Because if you call a man, that means him have some significance in something. Who name puppy dance?
Puppy dance one I'm a bridging. Short, thick, look at belly, face fat, and I'm a girl club. But I'm a bridging.
So,
yeah.
so why you hold him up?
And you have one girl with thick, look a bit tall on me. Sexy, nice face. When you
have style, if you love it,
Tia. You know?
Yeah, I kind of ring a bell, but you know what I mean? You know, go already. We nice streets.
Yeah, you know him?
No, we nice street. But at the end of the day, Tia, a popular woman?
I'm a virgin woman. Well, I'm a virgin woman sometime, but I hear my film named up on the
Alright, hold on. May I say to you, sir? Because you know, say we have different, I'm not saying, terminology for this thing. See, I woman, I just do a thing with the woman.
Watch the man. The man say woman, so I have to tell you say woman. But
so
me
no.
Man, spend a credit card max.
Bomba, you gone deep. 6 feet 6.
But you go so deep.
No, just the reason we are talking and we say
how are you about in same body?
Me? This a boy? Sir.
Come here, trust you, watch the man, me not trust you.
No man, but that's
I think about that I'm a virgin that you know.
Man, brother, I don't know this man in popular, I don't know the woman.
Me I make you meet him one idea, man. One idea make you meet him.
But the woman sound like our, you know, my type and my size. You know.
Alright, watch the man. Watch the man.
This is the reason, brother. How you make it sound like say, how are you father?
I'm a virgin.
No, but you're going to your father.
I am a virgin.
Yes, so I bet so who are you? I come from for. I must say I
Who are you? Who are you?
Brother, me and by the same time.
What?
Me and by the same time, the same. Me must say so with my friend. So you here just yo, you have to determine. It's the people like you, bro. Me feel that way, bro. Cause far we are come from. We are come from far than we are.
Sure, we are come from far. Me, you and Puppy Dan, but you and Puppy Dan and a friend.
But me don't know that brother.
Yo, you know what?
But everything good.
You know what?
Everything good, man.
You can't chat you over your side, because you know no. Me I go over my side. Because what you say, tell me.
The man always say I be a corrupt people that do that. Yeah, man. Just you fit the profile. Carry the table to the head tap now. Let it pop off. Everything good, man. See?
Look at you. You want to play too low there?
What?
I'm a boy still, you know. Oh, jealous, you know. You know. Hey! Make sure, you know. You don't know Puppy that no man, you know. Because I'm a virgin that, you know. Girl clown. Jesus Christ. You alone can't play. Hey, public! Jesus Christ. I grown up so come in the public I come from around the same. Tell us Christmas is a wonderful thing.
You again.
Me again, man.
What?
But me there, you know, get too bright.
You shop now open up for your buy me jeans.
I want to say, you know. The shop open as a left what there, you know. Shop open, man, but you don't know you take so long to open for your shop and you have money to buy juice, you know. For 30,000. Take out a cow money. Well, only shop money left and I don't know if you want to open up the shop or you want to wait till later.
Later.
Later you open the shop. I mean, you give me no money because you have to call the shopkeeper.
Yeah,
Put it right now. Yes. That is good. Alright, you see, hold on. You have a boyfriend?
I have one piece of something.
Pizza man. My God, man. Right, you are going like you have a pizza man. This one next 10,000. So me response to 12 for your panty. The next pizza man response to 12. You understand? Yes. You understand? So you're good with that?
Yeah, I'm good with
So where you going now?
You know, so I'm going to meet my friend down the road, but I kind of hurry.
Your friend?
Yeah.
I want thing you love for your friend. Every time you check it, you go link your friend.
But if you tell her the truth, you know, so I tell her about you then. And she tell me say you're a good man and I'm
So him know me?
Yeah, my friend know you.
Oh, me no come like me no know him. Me no think me know him.
No,
A good girl?
a good girl.
Oh.
She have a man, but I saw her still.
You have a man?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, friend a good girl, you know. Friend his signal and drop it and pick up that good.
Yeah, man.
So, we link again here?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Me a call you.
Call me, man.
Alright, good.
Later,
Yeah.
thanks again. Yeah,
Yeah, man. Later. Come out the road. Mind the car hit you before me hit you. Up you down. I pray. I want you know.
You frighten me, you know?
You're frightened. You're alone in the studio. Watch it, you know.
Where are you dealing?
There, man. You good? I want you in it. Right on my bed. So I pray.
We are peeping in my house. Me no want nobody peep in there. Cause my woman did in there naked.
That's what I mean.
Sweater. How you get the one from the sell one cow?
Yeah, me I tell you, say my belly I get too big.
Watch you, man.
So me I sweat out
Where I
here.
try to imitate me, that I try to, you know.
Nah, man, I hear them puppy that man. Yo, Jesus Christ. Hold on, you know. Yesterday, when you come link me and the cow get away, you making get away, you know.
Oh, me if make your cow get way.
So then you come around your coloring book. But me I tell you, say me I search over the whole place for the cow. Me I walk through that yard and come. And when we reach right there, so. How will you tell mama to go wash your panty them?
Watch you, man. You hear me I tell my woman that?
Yeah, I feel voice me I say go wash your panty them. And so mama don't wash your panty them.
So why if me tell woman to go wash her panty them? No fear her panty them. Why if me tell her that?
Cause me know me nah hear doubles. Me know me here cause you do open me.
So what you try say? And me I wash them? Me not do that. Me not do them something, they not do that, man.
Me know you not do that.
No, but me know you way I say it. Me not do it. Me not wash my woman panty, my woman wash her own panty them. Me not do that.
Puppy Dan.
Eh?
Who does that?
You
If
not
me
tell
I
me?
say you are do it. Me not say that cause me know you not do that.
You're mad.
Touch
Your
it.
friend not do them that thing there. You're mad, man.
say one
A real star boy, me not wash my woman things them you would.
Mama not there.
Me say nah gone on the road, gone deal with something, man.
Puppy Dan.
Hmm?
Bend your spray up, man.
Where you forward come to me I do? My youth, you know say if you top watch my business, that's all your father me had for do, you know. Look and talk. You come like the old fridge when me have stored down on the side of me yard.
Hey, who does that?
You?
Puppy Dan, me sell one cow. Oh, Jesus.
So give me your money what I know. Cause right now me I tell you say. Me I try to see if you see me can buy a woman one car. So as a bridge if you give me your money, but I put it down on the car money.
What you say, look while?
If I'm more save to buy a woman one car, I never tell her yet. But you force me I tell us wholly.
From here, you go school here walk. We go out go graduation and we walk come back from graduation. And even the first job experience I go up and I walk come back. Puppy from me know you here walk. And you go buy mama one car.
What you mean? No, my woman, me love her. What? Me can't make she happy.
Puppy,
Eh?
puppy,
Eh?
look on your foot.
Come
Come
here.
2 years I got a slipper say, you know.
Man, you just auntie, man. Take time to talk loud now. Woman have to enjoy themselves. Me have to treat my woman good and take more other man a spend on her.
So I'm to you.
Eh? Don't worry about me. My woman feel look good.
Look for me. As me sell a cow, me buy one what?
And as me make a money, me buy my woman things.
Yo, you know so me can't bother with you. Me tell you say you too blind in a love, you know.
Planning now with love. Watch China, man.
What do you me tell her I'm a virgin boy, you know?
Which virgin? Who that?
I'm a virgin man, you say you want to meet you still.
Me no meet man. I want somebody me a meet and my woman. We gone.
Where your man there now, Puppy Dan? Where you gone?
No down on the road for come back. Me send her out. What you mean by?
I'm gotten down on the road.
Down on the road, me say my woman gone out.
And what color jacket is me have on?
No white and black and look red pon it.
What color inside? Inside of the jacket. Inside. You can't see inside though. So that means you know say your man gone downtown, but you don't know where am I the downtown?
I'm missing her go do something. What you try do? I'm missing her.
You have tracker on her? Yeah, no, you have tracker? Yes or no? You need to have an iPhone. So you don't know what am I do?
Me buy her an iPhone.
Jesus Christ, Puppy.
Me buy her one iPhone 15 another day.
And if you like them with that money in the hotel,
My youth. No. What you do, man? My woman just left you so. Me I tell you what my woman gone and you try to stir up my mind and I tell me different something.
yo,
My woman not cheat.
I told man, you not cheat.
She not do it.
Yo, buck one girl, you know. Yeah. I'm expecting can't give man of the cow. I tell him say anytime he open up the shop, him get the cow. The bad, don't you? The bad. He nice in a long time. I look him up. What him again?
Who? Then no me friend, my woman friend that man. When if I see America with me know what you talk about.
Different one. Different one. For my woman when me a looking and mix up it for your woman. For your woman and yam out and
What? Where's my woman I do?
yo, listen what me I say now. You see woman when me a look. Women not get him yet. We not open up in shop yet. You see me? A different woman you know mix up with your woman.
She brown.
Yeah.
And she kinda have a look a nice body there.
Yeah.
Ah, she said one, I'm a woman friend that. I'm a woman
How
friend.
you know that?
I yesterday when me da wash. Yesterday when me da clean up around there so she did call link my woman. Me hear them in the house attack. When they say you pass and hear say me I tell my woman about panty. Yes, credit.
What you say? Are you man you not tell about Panja that you say?
No, me I say when you pass, and you hear me I tell me.
Popular, so you say the woman when me I look apart with your woman?
You know, listen to me I say. Who does that?
Popular, so my girl when me I look apart with your woman, your bad woman.
My bad who? Yo, you know what's the further me feel like you disrespect me know you would. You know say yesterday my woman I tell me say a bad mind my relationship. And that you doing?
Who does that?
You! You does that!
Your woman tell us me bad man.
Me and your friend, just leave me out. Leave me out. Cause you now go start you. Me did something for my woman, you know. Me love my woman, you know.
Popular, you run out of your yard.
It me take out my heart and give it to her. Although she don't have it already.
You nobody want no money, you take out money.
Just leave me out, you would. For you style my woman, you style me. Me don't want nobody style my woman.
Popular, let me tell you something. Why you listen me good? Are you alone you know say your woman bad? Me know. The shopkeeper don't know so
You
know.
come like you're mad. My woman a good woman. And me alone a play up in her farm. No boy, none.
Are you alone play football?
Me.
So I'm the referee. Red card.
Let me call out the girl.
Girl, me call you to talk to you, because you know so sometimes when me dey in my yard, me can't too talk.
I saw brother I want to talk from the master bush of years.
Well, nobody run us on to
No, you like that.
they know me but they not chat. When me chat in my yard, the man can't hear. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But just go meet her. Remember my boy when me I tell you about other day? And a boy a man. Big man.
Oh, what about him?
But just saw him and him did up on the road a while ago. Half of me man for me had sent me from about 3 hours to go look on TV. Because I tell you someone want a big flat screen TV, you know, it's about 75 inch.
Yeah, me know them TV there.
Yes. He want me buy 32 inch. I can't give me $30,000 to buy 32 inch. Me no want that.
A big TV, yeah.
A big TV. Me want when me I watch a TV, me see people them look real like them a come out of the TV. You know them big TV there?
You know, so if you change your life, it'll be a
Over
life
change.
to Christ.
All that with you and a substance in your life. And that with you.
But anyways, yeah, so what you say go on between you and the man, you know?
But so we link up.
But we think your money?
No girl.
I mean, no. Are you there? So I'm going to your garden?
Eh?
I'm going to your garden?
You see with you now, you love people business too much. And that with you.
What you mean?
Eh?
You just want to know in going to your garden?
You see with you now, shh, you love people business too much and that with you.
Yes, you know what I not like with you? You ever tell me your business, you know? And then when time me ask a certain question, you they get fed up. Are you tell me, you know, me Master Bush at
Hello. Bush have ears. Bush have me no business who want here because guess what? You see the man I'm for me yard, no matter what they tell him, he not believe them. So anything they want chat, they chat, me no care.
But me go ask you the question again. He give you money?
Him not give me money, girl.
So,
And me give money.
idiot. If they give man money to you, you don't have no sense.
Girl, listen to me.
We think we are friends from high school days. We know better than that. We never give man money yet.
Hello.
Man give we money.
You
man
can't
spend
tell
on
me that. In way the boy do it good, in everything about him is good. You understand?
I
So
say
you
no.
see when the man of my yard give me money, me have to touch him a little thing. And what
Let
do
me tell you
you?
something. You're so like a young man a yard. You're blind by love.
Everybody have a fool to somebody.
You blind by love with this man. But anyway, but just get some money from the man. See him come and want me to relax a little. Yeah, galley. Pa give me some money and Pa not touch me too. Pa not touch me and Pa give me 30,000 first, then Pa give me one look at 10,000. That's how you do it. That's how we roll.
Look here, later.
Wait, a bad man. So now, two your man I give money here to begin next month.
That now not to do with me later. Hold on there. No puppy, wicked girl like bad.
Well, I know Marika that. No girl, let me give me money. Oh, me no send a link. Jesus Christ, Father God, you told them a link.
Hi.
A girlie. Not hear that.
Because I hear that's our problem.
Are you friend?
Yeah, my best friend from school days, so yeah, I'm going to suffer. Yeah,
You're not a girl or a friend.
I'm my best friend from school days.
You know, say a girl I want bad girl.
I mean,
You know when somebody bad. Body count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Body count.
not talk about my friend like that. Why you this my friend like that?
So you know, say. I want partner thing. I want domino thing. I plan it on. I plan with me for me cow money.
Stop be fooling about people plan with the Tia not even know some me attack. You know should.
If you want your friend.
That means you are puppy than a friend?
Me virgin, me idiot virgin, me bigot virgin, we're blind to love.
I never know. Sorry
You see,
about
anybody will link up with Tia and friend with Tia, go to school with Tia, Tia and him go to supermarket. You told them the same thing. You and Tia the same thing. Oh, you not going to call money?
Who did tell us some more you call money for me?
Give me my money. Give me money. Yeah, Tia the
Yeah,
same.
man, look at dirty, nasty man. You can't give one money and take it back. One big bump will come over here. Yeah. You're wicked. That's why I'm glad me never make you go in my yard anyways.
I want to go in your garden.
You well going there.
I want to go in your garden. Yeah, and Tia cross is the two on. Hold you think me a puppy dan? You can't come near me out.
Watch out. Think you can't fool the guys.
Girl, I want wicked. Hey, girl.
Babes got so long. Babes say you gotta look for TV and look how long babes. You know babes got so long, you gotta look for TV.
What do you? You hear me say if you tap?
No,
You
man,
hear me say if you
I'm
tap ball over I kill this girl?
No, cause watch out, man. I'm a head hurt me.
Hear me, man, I so.
Cause I'm a head hurt me, man. I'm a head hurt me every day.
Come. You don't know when I come to you, boy. You don't know when I come to you, boy.
A long time I not say you good.
Girl in Tia.
Cause listen.
Stop cover up for girl and go like say girl no nice girl.
Hello, listen me, son. You can't talk to me about my woman and your style
Which
woman
woman?
as girl. You not do that, you talk to me about her.
girl?
No, you disrespect me now, cause I same thing my friend come here and talk to me about and I got style woman and I not like that.
Jesus
You see
Christ.
somebody at diss you, if somebody come and talk to me about you, and then come and diss you, me I go diss them. If you can't talk to me about somebody, you talk to me about them and I diss them, especially as somebody I love. You talk to me about my woman and you talk to me and diss her. She no girl, she is my wife.
You what?
My wife.
Let me tell you this. Your woman whore and is
Whore where?
go out her road. Yeah, get hand yes a hand this. The girl no want you.
What you mean she no want me? She never want me. She would in our bed.
Listen.
Every night I'm my woman sleep. She not go nowhere. What you talk about?
School days in front, then I foreign. And you what left? You get what
No,
left?
she front up on her. What you mean then I foreign?
In I foreign, cause every man see you under the look. Huh?
See where on the way look. I'm alone I see how my woman farm look.
Can you-
Nobody now going to the farm there. I'm alone a planting that and throw water. What you talk about? Yo, you know something I like on up.
Open the belly come a feel.
Which belly? My woman now breed. What you
You say
talk about?
when the belly come, me never say my breed.
Listen me, let me tell you something. Me and my one big man. Me not boy.
Yeah,
I mean,
boy.
want no can tell me about my woman. Me love my woman.
Are you-
If you love somebody I sin, me love my woman. Me not business no one tell me my woman not cheat. She
Love
will
the
never
girl.
do it.
Love the girl,
Yeah,
love the girl.
me love her.
A girl that you know no sense. Use up yourself. When you go learn, have the
You don't love me, me live my life.
Girl tete. Watch him, girl idiot.
I am man tete.
We supposed to come here, woman.
Okay, so I can't
You're
be girl
weak,
tete.
tell you back, you're weak.
You don't love me, I'm my cousin and I don't want this. I love you as my cousin, man. Come here, man, me I talk to
Me not
you.
no call me, cause
Cuz, come
you're
here,
too
no.
weak. Where you
Talk
are?
to you. Listen, listen, that's what I'm saying.
No touch me,
Cuz,
cause
listen,
you have to left a girl.
Let's be a
No
man,
like
I'm
him.
my woman.
Not like him, cause
Listen,
more.
listen, cause me I talk to
You
you.
bad, all him a do on you, me want puppy.
Cause, listen, me love my woman. And me love you as my cousin. But me love my woman. Me can't upset that. My woman not
Jesus
cheat.
Christ.
You know when you just find somebody, you
Love
just
really
feel
blind,
like
huh?
so- Cause
Yeah, me get one glasses.
me can't find nobody if you understand
Alright,
me.
listen.
Nobody not understand me. You can't never
Me
find
have one
somebody you love.
solution. Me have one solution. You want a solution?
What?
Me I care about one physician.
For do what?
Girl, tie your spirit just come to me. Say
What, Shanaman? What you mean tie?
yeah, it's stupid Tuesday again. Today's a stupid day, you know.
No man, a long time no man no cook no stupid. She always give me stupid. Other day she always tell me if you watch it. Other day me all tell her if you.
No. You tell her to wash what?
No, other day me I tell her say
Jesus.
she fi get up and wash her pants because she want to carry them go laundry. So me I tell her say no good something
You
like that.
can't, you know.
Cause listen to me,
You
say no.
can't, you know.
Cause
Jesus. Hey, you're bad.
everybody never can understand me and my woman. It want me no love me live my life. Me love my woman. Sure.
Boy, I love girl. Love which girl? Big old a fat hog. He hog. See me too. He hog. Hog. Tell her this. Tell her this, girl. You see my cousin? Me want to leave my cousin alone. They say me in-law. Me not authorize that. Russian would authorize that. He not go walk you too whore. Him no want tell me I tell her. All I do is your mouth puppy. Yeah, look.
Mama,
Tap use that.
let me ask
He
you
not there,
something.
so.
Let me ask you something.
Watch him.
Where you think God bring woman on earth for do? A souvenir?
No. So,
Carry your father come and you will know if me word. Carry your brother come and you will know if
because the
me
whole
word.
family. Because the whole family is an abomination to my cousin. You know, good girl, let's swim.
You know, so since me there with your cousin look good. Eh?
Tia, girl. Let me go call it Tia. Girl. You know, see. Me, I know say I want the boy, no. You know, my cousin, you know, you only want when you have your big jump where you have under the sun.
Go swim in it.
Me don't want to swim in there.
Come
I
and
gotta
swim,
think.
you might drown. I sing for the boy love me.
You know, say, are you make your boy not take care of himself? Your boy not if you can buy a steady sheet, put on in bed, say, because you're big, fat, all crug all
So
over
let me
side.
ask you something. Me did all one gun and head and tell him to give me money.
you time?
I love you, boy. I love me naturally. I tune a
Naturally,
boy and I
what
love you. Your maga like your favorite
Yeah.
all cancer patient. Go girl.
Watch him, big and buffalo, copper color girl. Me don't know my cousin sip on you. Watch him, prostitute.
Me call her back later. Me reach home here. Alright.
Alright, my boss. I'm on tear off your guns. I have my problem I deal with this. Can't bother the chatting now. Babies, where I come from? Who you talk to on phone and say reaching now?
No.
Baby, don't tell me say you cheat for me, baby. Baby, don't tell me that. Who you talk to a while ago, baby? Me ask you talk to me now. You make me get ignorant.
Puppy Dan, I went since you start question me whereabouts. You know, send me go look on TV. So what your
I
problem?
may live. Me supposed to know everything about you. What you mean? Me a question you. Run 4 hours now. You look on TV. What kind
Puppy
of
Dan,
TV?
I have to walk out the whole of Negril and look. You know, say Negril is a small place. I could even find some of the store
So
them.
you tell me say you're going to whole heap of store and you don't see TV where you want?
Nope. Them say me have to go a quarter lucky dollar to get the inch what me want. Me want a big 75-inch TV. A little 32-inch where you... Listen to me now, I am too insecure, man.
I don't believe it. Stop your cussing, no? I believe it, baby. No, yeah. No, yeah. Huckle up yourself. I believe it. But you know what now? You make people come over here disrespect me. Me tired of them in life here. My cousin come over here and style me. I say me a girl clown. Cause they say you cheat. And you give me hand. They say if something no go so, it nearly go so. My friend come over here tell me same thing, so you give me bun. Me as a Mexican, somebody a talk about it. You cheat for me. Me love you, I tell me say you cheat for me.
You know, say look like you're born behind cow.
You
You know, see you fool, though.
No, you love me, I know you're not cheap, but when somebody tell me you want something, baby, that confuse my mind.
Puppy Dan, let me ask you something. Why you living here, so?
Yeah, yo.
Why you sleep at night time?
Yeah, yeah, baby.
Are you and your cousin, you and your friend sleep?
No, yeah, yeah.
So why you dey listen to people for? No, why you dey listen to people for?
Yeah, it's a friend mash up relationship. The time people tell her one magazine mash up a relationship. But because they come over here,
Anyways, let her feel your cousin.
So how Coloring Book could I know about panty? Coloring Book tell me say my pastor said that they had run down in cow. And Coloring Book say, here you tell me if you watch panty, but they tell her if you take time talk.
Hello.
Yeah, me here I road so me I watch panty, you know. Me a panty boy.
Oh, what is for me, Jesus? Listen to me now. You wash the panty, them are red.
Take time talk, see I do it again.
Anyways, you cook. Alright, just let me take time talk. You cook?
But this day stress out because I'm on the way in them in the cook.
Puppy Dan, now tell me something. I come off of the road and I'm hungry. Me not left the chicken for your tower from morning for cook and sit. What wrong with you, Puppy Dan?
Babes, calm down now, you know, if you get so loud, babe. I go cook your food, man, just because me I wonder where they all along. And me I call and you tell me every minute say you're on your way. And then people come here and tell me things for you cheap. You just make me a thing.
You know what? Listen to me, Puppy Dan. Me no want hear nothing about your people, them what they want come here come and tell you say. A matter of fact, I see a little broomstick cousin. When they come in and come attack me. Me tell you this, you better warn her, yeah?
Yes, she at least on my problem. I don't know she come here and
Listen
worry
to
about
me
my
now,
problem.
man. Listen to me now. You better listen what me I say.
Come on, saga, here. Cause that you want to know. Go on in the house.
Come on.
Sean?
Watch ya.
Jesus, God.
Millionaire from a
You know, long way to see
billionaire
you.
from a
How are you
trillionaire.
in there? So you look nice and something. Oh God, man, turn around. Oh God, my baby, you look nice, man. A good while me not see you from school days.
Yeah, good while.
So what happened?
Me there, me just go up on the one pool.
Well, I'm put down this cow and my bush me I come from now.
Hot boy, look at you a bush.
Yeah, me go secure my cow with them.
Yeah.
Me have
Tell
some
us
cow
say you're a
over there.
millionaire, man.
Yes, my father, big up. Heart of love, man. Every time.
Every time.
So how do you do that now? You go differently.
Just a come from up a cuz boy.
Cuz boy. Oh, a long time you not see your cuz, so you go check him. Puppy Dan.
Puppy Dan now here.
How when do you now? How when now do?
You don't know say. Me I tell Puppy Dan say. Bro, pull up your socks. Lace up your shoes. You know how a girl when there with stay. You know how a girl when there with stay for school days. It is my wife.
I'm a hold on there. I'm a tia there.
You don't know?
Never know say me know say them in a look sing but me never know. It deep. I did then live a yard.
What? Girl, all go tell me say me is abomination.
Say you abomination.
Yeah, me deal with
Say you
her.
know say blood run through your vein.
Yeah, man, me deal with her. She have to later, but you see Puppy Dan, you need to sit him down and talk to you. Then girl, they are dog.
Me tired to tell Puppy Dan to find a good woman but me never know say I'm a tia there. There.
Between me, you know, me have two friends out the road, I bang you know.
Boy, me glad me near here cause this over my head. Bang it.
You hear Kaya repeat it.
Bang it.
Bang it.
Jesus.
Me say big like a well.
Hey.
I must see two puppy fat making a Joan.
Jesus Christ. So you go tell Puppy Dan that?
Then me I tell him,
How when you say?
me fi come out and yard and he loving girl.
I see him so why they run me out in yard?
You forget it, you're too enough too.
We do what?
When you see people leave them,
We do.
make him man go bust up in face and chop up himself.
Yeah, what going on now? What you say? Me enough? Me enough, not true?
Me you're too enough.
I that me go to tell you enough. See it there? It's too enough.
Too enough,
But
man.
that's what we care about Puppy Dan
But the
still.
girl hold too big, man.
Oh, you know that? Oh, you know that?
Me say my friend bang ya the choke back me and say, Garan, rub out.
God, Puppy Dan.
Me no say, me here say, girl, I go to her. Go sleep with somebody and bow down to
Eh?
And look, you know, go sleep with Puppy same night.
No man, puppy that not kiss him, man. I know they're not there.
Like that.
They're not there.
Like
I'm a
that.
virgin that they're not there.
Puppy, me and Puppy had 2 first cousins and Puppy just did run me out
So
of
you
here.
ain't there so long and you just come here, you know so much something.
Sure. Me say, a little girl big like the whole world. You know one place a red ground named Salah Hole. Not even that can hold a little girl.
Alright, you want to go on now? Meantime, I see Puppy down there, I will tell him what I go on, but through me there, so I have to go lock the gate. Because I know I'm cold and jump out. But you look good, take care of yourself.
Me take care of myself,
And big
man.
up yourself here.
And tell a little girl that's every time, not being whole if you see him too.
Oh, Jesus Christ. How when you say look girl broke out? Because when you go to school, you never stay, so you just raw. You come like bully beef. Jesus Christ. Hey, you know, say look girl right. A long time I talk to Puppy Dan in a year now. And that girl we are chuck as in coming here. Father God, me sorry for Puppy Dan.
Good God Almighty.
You have to see me, man? You know, me I walk and I see a old pillow, see me?
For real?
Yes. Where-
Girl, I see you look good. Think turn up here well did.
I saw you look good. Think turn up. You look bashy.
That was cool, man. I know say love, I was giving a compliment right back at, you know. But, you know, I said to myself, say, push come to shove. I'm not lie, I don't know how things will mash up. I mean, I pretend like no want to be mash up. And all them something there.
But are you guys did it for my show?
Alright, forget that now. I'm going to start a new thing now.
Because you never so righteous when it comes to your relationship.
Forget that, no, forget
You're too poor.
that. It's that me talk about me, no, you.
Me not hear you know? Don't hear you, but your ways, man.
My ways.
Yeah, you still look that way there.
No, it's not about it look. You see, as a judgment, and you know, you make me feel like, say, boy, you believe what the people I'm saying and all them something.
I know what people say, well, me see for myself.
What you say? What you say? What you say?
When we used to talk back in school days,
Oh,
that's
what
what you
happened?
did. You cheat.
Let me tell you something. Me is a youth. Me is a popular youth. So me have enough people running. Either want autograph or them
I don't
something
want my
from
man
morning.
friendly with nobody.
But upon them the terms you left, come on, Sean. Yo, start over now. Start anew now.
No, me have my husband. Start on, no. Me like you everything still,
What
but
husband?
it can't work. Me married.
Where camera to blood? Where camera? I like that camera, you see you all thing there. I'm back now. I'm back. I can't.
Me nah hug your back
Yeah, that's because not good.
Because me could have you could have been my husband and you say your dirty ways and you can't keep yourself to yourself. No, hey! Don't call me babe, my name is Sean. Anyways, I'm a family them me pass through and check up everybody. My husband, they me had to wait on me. So I will see you back the next time I come.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Me not walk with it today. Later I'll stop Harris.
I like it. Yo, your school, man, stop the joke, man. Joke, this is the point, you know.
My man, they don't just say
Which man they don't, sir?
come here, come.
It's alright. Must get you back at some point. You know what I mean? That look good, right?
Babe, look on this along with the paper you will write down only for something pan babe. When you send me in a light bill place, down a paymaster, then you say me must go down a China if you try to see if I can buy some local grocery. Then you say me if you go down a Karen, if you go get hair cream, because you cream your hair. Then you send me up a floor, because you say breeze a blow. Mash up the internet. I will leave something that babe, I go sit downtown. Will leave me downtown babe.
Confident. All you have to do, I just
Call
go
me
on
puppy
him.
dad. You know me like if you call me Eddie. I'm your babe.
Alright, babe. Babe, you know say, all you have to do, you know, go to the place, them one by one, little by little. You have to listen what me I say. Just listen what me I
But
say.
babe, listen now. Alright, you say you want hair cream. I mean if you go down at the hair place, remember me a man, me not too know about hair product for woman enough.
Listen, Puppy Dan, just listen what me I say. No man, that's why me can't agree now. But then, if I did have the time,
makeup away.
and the time for joking now, just listen to me.
Always time for joke.
Just go and do what me tell you to do.
But babe, when me alright, so you're forward, alright. When me ever go at the part to buy the hair product for your cream and hair, you're forward down there. Because I must say me not talk about the woman stuff. I don't want to get the wrong one.
I have to do go at the harbour dashi puppy dan and ask for 2 pack of hair cream. And the normal hair cream them where you mix out in a sit now and get.
But me don't know about weight, me don't know about shit that me I tell her babe.
Alright, here one. Left that for last. Go sit there first. Go pay the light bill first.
Me don't like how normally I go down on the road and me if it. Babe, what you tell her do? What you do? You want to sleep or what to you?
Me don't feel so wonderful. Made that hurt me, man.
You sure, baby?
Yes, made that hurt me bad.
So me if you sleep, you go sleep. And see if your headache can cool off.
But then let's go on and you love it talking. See you look like all rain set up for fall. Let's go on, man.
Alright, baby. Alright, let me take up my money so this is the thing. Love here.
Love you too. And when you come back, make sure you call me.
When you come back, make sure I call you.
Yeah, no, I don't nothing really. I just, in case me forget nothing, you understand? Just call me.
Oh, okay. Alright, baby. I love you.
Love you too, sugar.
Everybody, dog.
Well, there's so much things going on in life where you have to just give thanks, but you know, we have to take it in the stages, strides.
You know everything about it. Me have one corrupt friend more while and you have one good youth and you corrupt more while, but me just say
Yo, take it corrupt out of my thing, man.
Hold on, but you corrupt, man, but we not fuss and we not fight. Cause from me know you are arguing. What do you when you forward over? I'm sorry about the way me act, man, cause I don't so me stay more in the crowd and get you from me, you know.
I'm
and can't catch them.
Yeah, I'm tell you what, man. You see, sometimes if you understand, so you can't take out a problem. Cause me a bridge.
Hey, watch on the man. Watch on the man. Me I say me sorry. Hey, watch on the man.
Alright, me take it, sir. Yo.
Yeah.
Listen, this is the bump pants, yo. You wanna believe me, say? You remember one girl yesterday with them Shan?
Shan.
Yeah. Me book up Shan, you know?
Marga Shan.
Slim, sexy, and rosy.
When like you cheat on him. Sorry.
Your man or your mouse? Which one?
Man. Sorry.
Are your mouse man? Which one?
No, mouse. Not man, mouse.
Jeez, I'm pity more better.
What you
Me
say?
not sure vibes they come like you know understand certain things. So yo, me say, you're not telling about say him have husband.
We have.
She have husband and
So where you see him?
and she don't want up at one place where you know close to which part, you know, yeah. But she a tell me about she have husband and she don't want rule right back with me and reiterate. But I must say,
So you look you back.
Me must say I hear she hear
So
and
you
you went shot. And you went shot the business, she come to your reason with you and she buy you one cigarette and she buy you a beer and you spill everything. I don't understand how that possible, brother.
Can I beer and buy me?
I mean, so that if you tell me.
Cold beer, hot beer.
Yo, I don't respond, but Dangasha, forgive him everything. Life.
That's cool, man. And that's every retailer.
Yo, one time we are talking about one tickers.
You know, me not talk about this thing, but anyways,
That's a face style, brother. Me say, in the game. Yo,
play game.
Brother, and she tell me say right now, see, one youth, in basically a spend on everything. You understand me?
Who does that?
I don't know. Somebody that has no sense, you know what I mean? Nonsense. But at the end of the day, brother, things are going. I'm happy, contented. This up. Yeah.
Pop it down. Forward me down, man.
Yo, I pray.
I'm breaking this from your house, I tell about.
Where are you?
Forward me, pop it down, man.
On a rush, man.
Pop it down. Come here, man. I want to you, my general.
Where are you?
Jesus Christ.
There.
I'm a god.
Oh, there.
Hold on.
I'm a woman send me
Hold on,
to
hold
the
on.
Canada on a rush, you know.
Public.
Oh, the public.
Public. Pop it down. I hear me and pop it down. Me must hear me all tell about I'm a virgin. You see?
Oh, sorry, I really can't count up.
Watch out, man. Yo, you see that thing that's my name for tapping on you.
A joke business, man. Yo,
Yo,
man, you too.
listen, hold on.
I true then.
And everything you hear in the street of a chat.
What I true then?
You hear it in the street and you chat.
No, me I say I'm not true. Brother, easy, man.
Everybody got talk about get a clone business, man.
Sorry, I hear in the street, man. Just easy, man. So where up and where you forward?
Yeah, my woman send me out so I go deal it fair, I go get some things fair in town. So
Yo, nature.
I'm on a rush.
Sit there. Big man, you are one now. See? Read the bedroom, man.
But your phone a ring?
Yeah, man.
So me now your phone ring?
Brother, I mean, the vibrate.
Yeah, so you have to flick.
Alright.
Alright, look come on.
Mr. J, just pull up. Yeah, if you laugh, I'm going to free myself. Thanks, man. See? Yeah, good to meet you. See?
Go on alone, man.
Yo, I like him from
Me not like him neither. Chat too much. So they are bridging the end just there. So me like him, but no, me not rate him. Can chat too much. I mean, all you him a same phone a ring. I mean, I hear phone a ring.
Your brother ain't gone, Mike. That's why I not
So
like
what you say, mama send out you?
Yeah, I go a floor place. I go a hair place. I go a
Karen,
light.
you buy here, light bill, supermarket. Buy two.
place where I go, man. That's what I do.
Hold on, turn on this to me. Where you this to me? Cause your birth boy, two pack of steer free.
My youth, you can't read. Look for it, something to buy 2 pack of hair cream.
Hair cream?
Yo, look come on, my youth. I'll get some money in I told. Cause I have to hurry up and go back up because she don't feel good. So I do quick and go back up and attempt to her. You know, I love my woman right now. My head a hot me like how she's sick.
Alright.
Me link here. Eh?
Alright, look come on.
6, so I hurry up and come back.
Alright. Ear cream. Ear cream. Steer free. Ear cream. What's that? Something alright. Something alright, man.
Is it? Not on top of them? Sorry. Can't on top.
Listen, you sure you don't want one next round?
Listen to me. Be no more. Don't text me on call. I said, boy, I got a shop. So if the boy got a shop, I want to come back.
Listen, I want long this me game, you know. Me send him a floor, JPS, supermarket.
You know, he's that. We all here for the world. Send him up on next time. And then we can run in again. I tell you, you want to get catch.
We not get no catches.
We get big, listen,
We ever get catch before?
exactly, so that you know what? Because there's always a first or something. Eh? Calm down, man. Relax, man. You love everything, yo, you know it, so. What you do with that man in the first place, though? Leave him alone, man. You understand me, I say?
You know much money I get? We only buy low in my low.
Don't stop.
Eh?
Don't stop for true. Love that. I don't know. Big. I'm going to get up with your flow. Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the air, yeah. I may say alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Hey, you don't know say Puppet Dan production, you know what I mean, public report representing. I must say, you know, this is public report representing. But yeah, you over there, I'm glad to reach there, so and do the right thing. Like, share, comment and share it, man. Big up the man and, you know, support the thing. And we thank everybody who has been supporting the movement thus far, the journey. You know what I mean, True World TV, they, you know, we are on, so, but guess what? We are, you know,
My apology, me can say something? Please.
Remember saying
Me a hold up
the first part you say I went girl town.
Watch out, yo, watch out, man. True World TV. Just look forward to new movie.
Why moving in? What a movie in?
Ocean.
The one I just done.
I 1 year.
Yeah.
This one I want.
Love is blind. True World TV, that public report. One family. Bless myself. Thanks again. Do the right thing. Like, share, comment. Out.